Making money with Appen is simple. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how it works, how much you can earn, and how to get started today. If you're looking for an easy way to make money online, this is for you. Appen is a platform that connects people with flexible jobs. To get started, go to appen.com. The site mainly serves businesses, but we're here to make money. Click Join Our Crowd to access available jobs. These include part-time and full-time roles, microtasks, surveys, and language-based jobs. You don't need an office or a boss, and you can work from anywhere. Some jobs take just minutes and pay well. Many tasks are simple, such as surveys that take less than an hour. You can also earn money using social media, mobile devices, or online research skills. If you have a degree, that's great, but it's not required. The variety of projects means there's something for everyone. Once you find a job that suits you, click to apply. To start, create an account by entering your details. After signing up, verify your email, log in, and set your language preferences. Next, complete your profile for better job access or browse short-term projects. Some tasks pay well, like the Stillman data collector job, which offers $14 for a 30-minute session recording voice commands for AI development. Another easy task is the video screening project. This pays $16 for uploading 3 short videos of fun activities like dancing or cooking. The entire process takes 15 to 30 minutes. There are also high-paying jobs like speech data collection, offering $155 per task for those with a speech stutter. Some tasks even pay over $300, though availability varies. To find the best jobs, sort by highest paying and apply. Fill out the application, answer questions, and once approved, complete the task to get paid. Payments appear in your profile, and you can withdraw your earnings. That's all it takes to make money with Appen. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.